All right, so I'm down to the very last burl we have, and this one is one of the bigger ones, and it has a lot of character on the side. This one has really big spikes there. It has a pretty flat bottom, but I'm gonna get this one. This is the very last one. I think I got something like 30 burl slabs so far, but let's get going on this. So first thing we're gonna do is make a few cuts on the top side, make a good flat platform essentially. And then I'll pick it up, flip it over. I learned on my first one, even though I power wash these, you can't see everything from the bottom side. There's pockets of mud that I cut on my first burl. So now I'm flipping them over, and then that way I can chip out any pockets of mud, get it cleaned up so I don't damage the blades, and then cut from the top down. We made a few cuts on the top. Now I pull this off, it'll be flat enough to flip it over. Let's take a look at under these little curly burls. Look at those. Wow. Those are big right there. Get those things wetted up, it'll really show off a lot of character. So we're gonna get this flipped over and we should get some really good little curly cues in there. Beautiful piece, man. This one's actually pretty dang clean. I was able to hit this with the power washer, but you can see like a little bit of dirt. That little bit of stuff right there will dull it out, the blades, a little bit. Doesn't seem like much, but a little bit over time will dull it up. In a perfect world, getting rid of all the bark would help substantially, but that would take a long time. So I'm gonna scrape this much out. Got a little battery leaf blower to blow out the little crumbs. We should be good. All right, we're all done with the last burl. I did 4 burls in the last 2 days, and this one was one of the bigger, more symmetrical pieces. I'm gonna get it loaded up, put it up at the shop. We have all of them laid out, stacked up. We're gonna get them washed off and labeled, so that way anyone wants to pre-purchase these before they go in the kiln will know what the price and sizes are on all these. So. All right, that was a workout. So we got all the cookies stacked. I do have a couple like smaller ones at the sawmill, but all the big main pieces all stacked all the way down the line. So what I'm gonna do now, normally our sawmill inventory, we don't put it on our website or make it available until we dry it, surface plane it, and it's 100% ready. But with these, so many people have been asking about them already when we've been posting on our stories. I'm gonna get them washed up. I'm gonna draw the sizes inventory them, put the prices on it, so that way if anyone's interested in some of these walnut burls, I can get them in the kiln quicker. But we're gonna do the fun stuff now, get them washed up, scrubbed up. Let's see the grain pop on these. All right, thank you guys for tuning into this week's Slaburday Saturday. It was a great time. We cut some awesome burls, lots available here. So if you need some walnut burls, remember we got probably one of the best selections around. So we're gonna get these dry. A couple months, we'll have them ready. See y'all later.